Do you need to remove the battery on your Precision 3561? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe and/or your fingers to pry apart the bottom base cover. I recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Then disconnect the battery. Now to remove the battery, just unscrew and remove it. The reassembly. Now the reassembly is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.